Hello. Hi students. That is 10 plus 1 class mathematics. I am taking exercise 7.3 permutation combination of lesson 7. So I proceed to exercise 7.3. We are taking question number 8. In how many words can be formed using the letter equation? EQUATION. So we arrange the word equation using each letter exactly once. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 total letters equal to 8 and 1 at 8 time. So this question solves. We are using the formula. We are taking r equal to 8 and n equal to 8. So n equal to 8 and r equal to 8. So npr factorial n upon n minus r factorial. We are taking 8p8. 8 factorial, 8 minus 8 factorial. So 8 factorial, 0 factorial. 8 factorial is 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 and 0 factorial means 1. After multiplication we get 40320 ways. We get an answers. We are taking question number 9. How many words with or without meanings can be made from the letter words Monday? We arrange the letter Monday. Assuming that no letter is repeated. So repetition is not allowed. And first condition, that is 4 letter at 8 time. And second condition, all letters are used at 8 time. And third conditions, all letters are used but first letter is a vowel. So apply these three conditions. We arrange the letter Monday. We are taking first question. 4 letters are at a time. It means n equal to 6 and r equal to 4. So using the formula NPR, that is 6p4. That is 6 factorial, 6 minus 4 factorial, 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial upon 2 factorial. We cancelled out 6 3s are 30, 34 is 120, 123 is 360 ways. We get an answers. And second condition, all letters all together, it means 6 factorial. So 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Also we get multiplication, we get 720 ways. And last parts, first with a fix as a vowel. So the letter began with the vowels and O and A, be 2 vowels here. So number of ways, that is 2 factorial, because O and A are 2 vowels and remaining numbers, that is total 5 letters here, 6 letters here. So OA be the fixed in first position and remaining letters M and DY. So total position 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We multiply by 5 factorials. So we get 2 into 5 factorial is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 5, 2 5 is 10, 10 4 is 40, 43 is 120, 122 is 240 ways. We get an answer. We are taking another questions, question number 10. Question number 10. In how many ways the distinct permutation of the letter in Mississippi? Here get a word Missy, M-I-S-S-I, P and I, Mississippi. Do the 4 I's not together. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 I's not together. This is the given condition. Not together. So, in these questions, we are taking total number of computation without any restrictions. Use the Mississippi one. So, total number of permutation. Permutation means total letter, that is 11 letter, and repetition M 1 time, I 4 time, and S also 4 time, and P 2 times. We get 11 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial upon 4 into 4 factorial, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 2 into 1. After cancellations, we get 4 to the 8, 3 to the 6. After multiplications, we get that is 34650 ways. But we given condition 4 I's together. So we are taking, if take 4 I's as one letter, then total letter becomes, so 4 I's come together, we are taking as first letter, one letter, and remaining letters, that is M, double S, and double P. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 letters. That is 8 letters. And 8 letters arrange number of ways, that is 8 factorial, and revise 4 times S and 2 times P. So 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial upon 4 factorial into 2 into 1. We cancel out 2 3s. After multiplications, we get 840 ways. So, due to restrictions, required results, we subtract 34765 minus 840, we get 33810 ways. We get an answers. At last, we given homework. Student trying to remaining questions of the exercise 7.3. That is question number 11. So students, complete your exercise 7.1, 7.2 and 7.3 on your notebook. That is your homework. Student, if any problems, you contact me. Thanks a lot.